Welcome to part 4 of our How to Manage a Business Using Odoo 19 series. In this video, we'll explore the inventory module and learn how Odoo helps businesses manage stock movements, products, warehouse operations, and inventory reporting. Let's get started. Moving to the inventory module, we can view the complete inventory overview of our system. Under the Operations menu, we have transfers, which include receipts, deliveries, internal transfers, manufacturing operations, and drop shipments. All inventory movements are organized under their respective sections. Under Receipts, we can view all incoming stock transactions created in our database, along with their corresponding status. Similarly, under Deliveries, all outgoing deliveries are listed along with their location details and delivery status. In the same way, all inventory transfer activities are available within the inventory module, providing complete visibility into stock movements. Under the Products menu, all products available in the system are listed. To create a new product, click on the New Product button. When creating a product, enter the product name and define its availability. Products can be configured for sales, purchase, or point-of-sale operations based on business requirements. Next, select the product type. Odoo supports different product types, including goods, services, and combo products. You can also configure the invoicing policy by choosing whether invoicing should be based on the ordered quantity or the delivered quantity. For inventory-controlled products, inventory tracking can be enabled to accurately monitor stock movements. The quantity on hand for the product is displayed within the product record. Sales price and cost price can also be defined based on business requirements. Sales tax and purchase tax can be configured directly within the product settings. In addition, product categories and barcodes can be assigned for better product management. After entering all the required information, the product can be saved and made available for business operations. If product variants are required, they can also be configured within the Product Variants section. The process is similar to standard product creation. Under the Reporting menu, Odoo provides stock reports that offer detailed inventory analysis across all products in the system. Location reports provide visibility into stock availability by location, including reserved quantities and available inventory. The Move History report tracks all inventory movements, providing a complete record of stock transactions throughout the organization. This is how Odoo helps businesses manage inventory operations and maintain accurate stock records within the inventory module. This concludes the inventory module. In the next video, we'll explore the accounting module and learn how Odoo manages invoices, payments, journal entries, and financial reporting. See you in the next lesson.